Hey there, future YouTube star. Want to turn your passion into profit? In this video, I'll show you how to get monetized in just 10 days. Yes, it's possible. Stick around, follow each step carefully, and by the end of this journey, you'll be on your way to earning from YouTube. Day 1 is all about choosing the right niche. Don't just pick anything. Select a topic you're passionate about and has high demand. Research trending topics using YouTube Trends and Google Trends to ensure there's an audience for your content.
Day 2, setting up your channel. Now, let's set up your channel professionally. Choose a catchy channel name, add a high-quality logo, and create an eye-catching banner. Make sure your About section clearly describes what your channel is about. Day 3 to 4, create high-quality content. Content is king. Record at least 3 to 5 high-quality videos before launching. Make them engaging, valuable, and well-edited. Remember, high-quality content leads to higher watch time, which is crucial for monetization.
Day 5. SEO optimization and uploading. Now let's talk about SEO. Use keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and tags. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ can help you find the right keywords. A well-optimized video ranks higher and gets more views. Day 6. Promoting your videos. Simply uploading a video isn't enough. Share your content on social media, forums, and groups related to your niche. Leverage platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Facebook groups to gain more traction.
Day 7 to 8. Increasing watch time and subscribers. Engagement is the key. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Reply to comments and create engaging community posts. Also, make sure your videos are binge-worthy by adding end screens and playlists.
Day 9. Applying for monetization. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization. Head to YouTube Studio, go to the Monetization tab, and apply for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Make sure to follow YouTube's community guidelines to avoid rejection. Day 10. Setting up AdSense and earning money. After approval, link your Google AdSense account to start making money. Your income will come from ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Keep uploading consistently and watch your earnings grow.
And there you have it. A 10-day roadmap to getting monetized on YouTube. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome content. See you in the next video, Map to Getting Monetized on YouTube.